When you're ready to start planning your dream cruise vacation, your experience begins at Expedia Cruise Ship Centres. Our team of dedicated agents is here to ensure that your next vacation is one you'll remember for a lifetime. We've received awards of excellence in both 2006 and 2007, so you never have to worry about how your cruise will turn out. Let us handle it. We can provide everything from onboard amenities and spending money to bonus gifts. To find out more, visit cruiseshipcenters.com.